Welcome to this module, the report view module. And by the way, a module I was really looking forward to. Why is this the case? Well, it's finally the time to bring some life into our data. And what better way could we have to bring some life to that data than using one of the powerful and actually beautiful visualizations Power BI Desktop has? Now, before we do that, let's again take a quick look at our workflow in Power BI Desktop to see where we are at the moment. So this is the workflow that you already know. So we finished the data preparation. In the last module, we also finished the data modeling with the data view and the relationship view. So we are now in the last step in Power BI Desktop, the report view. And now you probably want to know, what can we exactly do in that report view? Well, you will learn that in the next videos.